class, parent, twin, race, work, art, email, film, cinema, internet. Track 2. Ben is in the classroom in his new school in Palestine. He sits next to Omar. Omar's twin sister, Rania, sits behind him.
Good morning. Today, we have a new pupil in our class. Welcome him to our class, Omar.
Hi, I'm Omar. This is my sister, Rania. We're twins. We're 11 years old. What's your name?
Ben shows Omar a picture of his family. Omar looks at his parents and his sister.
Hi, I'm Ben. These are my parents, and this is my sister Amy. I like drawing pictures.
Welcome to Palestine. I like drawing pictures too. I'm good at art. Where are you from?
Omar looks at a picture of Ben's dad. He's in a walking race. His mum helps his dad. She has a bottle of water in her hand.
I'm from Britain. I'm British. My dad's an engineer. He works in Ramallah. He likes walking races. My mum helps him.
Oh, what do you like doing, Ben?
Rania, Ben and Omar talk about what they like doing. Rania likes looking at cats on the internet. Omar and Ben both like watching films at the cinema. Ben likes writing emails.
I like writing emails. I like watching films at the cinema. What do you like doing, Rania?
I like looking at cats on the internet.
I like watching films at the cinema too.
1. Who's British? Ben. 2. What his dad's job? An engineer. 3. What's Ben good at? Art, drawing pictures. 4. Who likes walking races? Ben's dad. 5. Where can you watch films? At the cinema. 6. Who likes looking at cats? Rania.
3. Listen and say, good morning. Hi. Welcome to Palestine.
What's your name?
Ben shows Omar a picture of his family. Omar looks at his parents and his sister.
Hi, I'm Ben. These are my parents, and this is my sister Amy. I like drawing pictures.
Welcome to Palestine. I like drawing pictures too. I'm good at art. Where are you from?
Omar looks at a picture of Ben's dad. He's in a walking race. His mum helps his dad. She has a bottle of water in her hand.
I'm from Britain. I'm British. My dad's an engineer. He works in Ramallah. He likes walking races. My mum helps him.
Oh, what do you like doing, Ben?
Rania, Ben and Omar talk about what they like doing. Rania likes looking at cats on the internet. Omar and Ben both like watching films at the cinema. Ben likes writing emails.
I like writing emails. I like watching films at the cinema. What do you like doing, Rania?
I like looking at cats on the internet.
I like watching films at the cinema too.
1. My parents are my mum and dad. 2. Omar and his sister are twins. They are both 11 years old. 3. You need a computer to write an email. 4. You can watch a film at the greengrocer's. 5. You can read an email on the internet/TV. 6. I can walk up a mountain.
Track 3.
1. Ben, Rania and Omar are in the playground. 2. Omar is from Britain. 3. Ben's dad is an engineer. 4. Omar and Rania are cousins. 5. You need a computer to read an email. 6. You can watch a film in a bakery.
1. Ben, Rana, Omar are in the playground. Thumbs down. 2. Omar is from Britain. Thumbs up. 3. Ben's dad is an engineer. Thumbs up. 4. Omar and Rania are 8 cousins. Thumbs down. 5. You need a computer to read an email. Thumbs up. 6. You can watch a film in the bakery. Thumbs down. 1. Your parents are your brother and sister. 2. Twins are 2 brothers and a sister. 3. You watch films at a cinema. Correct? 4. You look at a flower in the garden. Correct? 5. I help my brother do his homework. Correct? 1. Ben and Omar are good at art. 2. Ben is the new pupil in Mars class. 3. Ben shows Omar a picture of his parents. 4. Neil likes looking at cats on the internet. 5. Ben's dad is running. He needs water. Ben's mum has a bottle of water. 1. What does Ben like doing? Ben likes drawing pictures of his parents. 2. Where does Ben's father work? In Ramallah. 3. Who likes writing emails? Ben. 4. What are Omar and Rania? Twins. 5. What does Omar like watching at the cinema? Films. Class. Computer. Twins. Cinema. Film. Races. Parents. Work. Helps. 1. You can have walking, swimming or running. Races. 2. You can watch a film at the cinema. 3. Omar and Rania are twins. They are 11 years old. 4. These are Ben's mum and dad. They are his parents. Ben's dad is going to work. 5. Rania helps Ben do his homework. She looks on the internet and reads on the computer. 6. Ben is a new pupil. He's in Mars class. Read and circle correct words. Name Nadia. Country Palestine. Age 11. Family 5 sisters, no brothers. 1. Nadia comes from Palestine. 2. She's 11 years old. 3. She does not have brothers. 4. She has 5 sisters. 5. She spells her name N-A-D-I-A. 3. Think and complete the sentences. 1. My name is Yusuf. 2. I'm from Palestine. 3. I am 10 years old. 4. I have 2 brothers. Their names are Yahya Yasin. 5. I have 1 sister. Her name is Ruweda. 2. Write correct questions. 1. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. 2. Where do you live? B. I live in Ramallah. 3. What's your favorite subject? C. My favorite subject is maths. B. What do you like doing? D. I like writing emails. 4. Read and correct the sentences. I live in Ramallah. He is 11 years old. Her favorite subject is English. They like writing emails. Complete the sentences. I look. He looks. She looks. We look. They look. I walk. He walks. She walks. We walk. They walk. I work. He works. She works. We walk. They walk.
Amy, look! Here's Dad in a walking race. He's fast. And here are our parents. Mum and Dad are walking up the mountain.
Oh, yes. Oh, that's a big mountain. And here we are with the twins. Fiona and Sarah are in front of the art museum.
I like looking at our pictures on the computer. Oh, I need to write an email to Omar. We want to go to the cinema to see a film.
Can I come?
Yes, of course. The film is about a car and a train.
Oh, no. No, thanks.
Listen and answer. 1. What is Dad doing?
He's walking fast.
2. Who is walking up the mountain?
Mum and Dad.
3. Where are the twins?
In front of the art museum.
4. What does Ben want to do?
Write an email.
5. Does Amy like the subject of the film?
No.
1. Ben's dad walks fast. 2. Ben's parents are walking up the mountain. 3. The twins are in front of the art museum. 4. The pictures are on the internet.
1. Ben and I are not twins. 2. Ben is 11 years old and I'm 10 years old. 3. I like the computer. I write emails to my friends. 4. I like helping new pupils in my class.
Unit 1, Period 7. Work in pairs. Write answers to the questions. Where do you live? I live in. What's your favorite subject? My favorite subject is. What do you like doing? I like. About my classmate. Place. Answers. Gaza. Subject. Answers. English. Like. Answers. Playing football. 2. Complete the sentences about your classmate. Then read each other's sentences. Ali lives in Gaza. Her/his favorite subject is English. She/he likes playing football. 3. Write correct questions. 1. Many hand. Sisters, do you have brothers? How many brothers and sisters do you have? 2. Where? Live do you? Where do you live? My name is Yusuf. I live in Gaza. I am 10 years old. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I like the computer. My favorite subject is English. Write the words. Practice your handwriting. Parent, twin, art, work, race, internet, class, film, cinema, email. One. Read and complete the sentences. Check your spelling. 1. You can watch films on the internet. 2. My parents like walking on the beach. 3. My friends are twins. They are 11 years old. They are in my class. 4. My uncle works at the cinema. 5. My teacher likes swimming in races. He's fast. 6. I write emails. It helps me with my spelling. 7. I like looking at art. 2. Work in pairs. Make a booklet about your family. This is my family. These are my parents. This is my brother. These are my sisters. We come from Palestine. I like looking at the internet. My sister helps me. I like drawing pictures. My dad works in a shop. My mum works at school. My family likes walking and going to the cinema to watch films.